Hello world, welcome to my channel. My name is Saranand Nadar. In this video we are going to learn regex. Regex is nothing but regular expression. We are going to learn how to extract a required pattern from the targeted string. To perform this, we need to import module RE, which stands for regular expression. Let's say a result variable equals to re.search. Yeah, it is the first method we are going to see to search results. Research method is used. Herein we pass the pattern we want from a string. Let's say a string called hello world, and the pattern we want from it is world. If I print it, we are going to get its values of match object. If I just want to fetch the values compared, then you have to use the method called as group. Yes, world gets printed. If you want to get a boolean value, then you can directly put it beside if keyword. Yes, the print statement get executed. Let's say we put in a pattern that it doesn't has. Now the if statement should not get executed and it shouldn't print the value. Yep, nothing happens. For regex operation, append R, it converts a string to raw string. There is a set of special characters that we can use. Let's say W /W caps small w small s dot. Let's see each of its significance. If you want to search a pattern inside my target, that is hello world, with a letter starting from W following two letters, you need to write \W 2 times. Let's print it. Yes, WOR gets printed. This \W would specify any character. Caps W can be used is for special symbols. If we have $$ following capital W, then it should get found and printed. And this D can be used for digits. Let's say we have digits 1, 2, 3, and we are in a search for 3 digits. Then it should get printed. And the same way, \S is for spaces, and dot specifies any character, whether it's symbolic or non-symbolic. Now let's see repetition search. In repetition search we have plus into question mark. Plus is used when you wanna search for something like digit is present one or more times. You do not need to write again and again. Then you can use plus operator. It is automatically gonna search and print it. In the same way, asterisk can be used. Let's say letter following H with 0 or more letters. Yes, hello gets printed. And question mark can be used for 0 or 1. Yes, HE got printed. Let's learn something with square brackets. If we want to search in an email address like abcd@gmail.com, if I want to extract email address, then I can write like this. Herein, I have written a pattern search for email address where it is gonna search for any bunch of characters before @ and any bunch of characters between .com and @ and return it to me. That's just yes, abcd@gmail.com gets printed. If you want to extract in the form of group, let's see, group extraction. You can use parenthesis for username. I have put a parenthesis, and host name I have put the parenthesis. To fetch these two, username and host name, differently, you need to specify the indices like result.group of 1 and result of group of 2. Yes, abcd and gmail gets printed. Search method is used for finding the first occurrence in this string. If I have, let's say, ghlm@gmail.com, then it's gonna give me only the first found email address. To search all of these email address present in the string, you need to use findall method. Yes, this results is a list, as in this findall is gonna give a list of values containing the email addresses. This findall method returns a list containing the tuples with host name and username. To print it separately, you need to specify the indices, usernames of both email address. If you want to print the host name of both email address, as follows. Now let's see something called as converting greedy search to non-greedy. If you have a string with and in that you are trying to search tag I in this string we have written a logic where it would start with opening angular bracket and closing angular bracket, and in between there can be any character, that is dot in dot star. Let's test it. But it is gonna do a greedy search, that is, instead of seeing its first closing angular bracket, it's gonna search for the longest angular bracket. To convert this greedy search into non-greedy, you have to write the symbol question mark to stop as soon as it finds the first angular bracket. In this way you can convert greedy search to non-greedy. If you want to substitute pattern you have found, you need to write re.sub function. Its syntax is as follows. The start would be same. It has an extra parameter wherein we would specify the string to replace it with. Let's say head. Herein it is going to replace the I tag with the specified head tag. Yes. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to put a like and subscribe for more videos. Bye for now.